What's up, guys? It's Zachary and welcome back to another episode of Java Programming. This tutorial I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make a Hello World program. So we already made a Hello World program, but that was in the command prompt. So this time I'm going to be teaching you guys how to do it in Eclipse. So open up Eclipse and go to wherever you were with your folder. So I was in the desktop Zach the Killer Java Eclipse folder, and then press OK. Once it's loaded, you should have your package, your Java project, your source folder, and your package and your class from last time. So open up your class and once you've done that, you're gonna want to put in the main method. So the main method is just a method where the computer always looks into your program and finds the main method. If you don't have the main method, then the computer will not know where the class is. So because the main method is like the main method of the class. If you don't have the main method, then you'll get an error. So write public static void main brackets capital S string args and then square brackets and then squiggly brackets. So that's our main method. We're going to be typing everything for this this program today inside of this main method. And remember not to type outside of the class brackets, because then it's not going to know like what that is. Like if I even type system.out.println, it's still going to give me an error, even though that's a Java word. So you're going to want to write system.out.println right under that main method, inside the main method. Remember, it has to be inside the main method. And then put brackets, and then at the end semicolon, but inside the brackets put quotation marks, and then write whatever you want inside of it. So like I'm gonna write, this is a Java program in Eclipse. So it was just a lot easier to write that, because when you pressed a bracket, it already made two brackets, so you don't have to put two. And it gives you errors if you did something wrong. Like let's say I did that, it would give you an error right here, and it would say F cannot be resolved. You have to put the semicolon at the end of the line, and yeah. So you would know that that F is not supposed to be there. So yeah, that's how it's a lot easier with Eclipse. Now, running it is a lot easier than, if you remember on our command prompt, we had to go into CD desktop, CD like Zack the Killer folders, CD Java, like we had to go into all of that. So, with Eclipse, you can just press this little run arrow at the top right here. Just press that button, and then you would get this box that pops up that says save and launch. Press OK, and then as you can see at the bottom, it says this is a program in Java this is a Java program in Eclipse with exclamation point. Just like here, I said I wanted to print out on a line, this is a Java program in Eclipse. My voice might sound not that like good today because it just might not sound like normal because I just woke up and my throat is a little bit not used to talking or whatever you want to call it. So, yeah. So, as you can see, this is how you make a Hello World program in Eclipse. Now, let me just tell you how everything works. So, when you run the program, the computer looks for the method called main. So, we have that method right here, public static void main. So, once it finds that method called main, it goes and looks inside of what's in the method, and it says system.out.println. You want it to be out of your system because if it prints in your system, then it's not going to be good. It could print like anywhere on your system. So just remember that out. If you just did system.println, it could print like on your hard drive or something. You need that out, or it's gonna print like, if you don't put that out, it's not gonna print here. It's just gonna print somewhere else. So print line just means print a line on the console box. So this is a line of text, and then you just write whatever you want in here. This is a Java program in Eclipse, and then that's what it's gonna write. And the semicolon just says that that's the end of that line. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, be sure to like and subscribe if you're new to the channel. And I hope this worked for you, and I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you next time. Bye!